The early cods where they're really small.
ONFarm's a new way that we're looking at approaching bringing the new developments that we're doing from our research programme out to provide practical advice to farmers on what they can be doing to make their production more profitable.
It's really important to get scientific information in order to develop agricultural practices and develop technical knowledge to improve on-farm performance, especially with lamb prices and milk prices as they've been. It's becoming more and more important to be able to lower costs and create a more efficient business.
It allows us to target commercially important trade.
Particularly the last speaker made it very specific. He made you feel that you could actually take his information forward and try and use it to benefit your output. It is a difficult, time of the year anyway, but I think that it is worth actually sparing those couple of hours to come and listen to these people who've sort of pioneered and are there with lots of information to help us move forwards.
I found them very interesting. I was particularly taken by the guy talking about the cod, the lameness, as it's quite interesting how that's related to the foot trot which may already be on your farm, and also control strategies for it.
It's a very important part of our industry development work because we can do things on farm here and now, but we also have to be looking to the future all the time. So HCC does a lot of work to invest in research and development. We work with some of the best researchers both in Wales, in the UK and abroad to bring forward some of these findings so that we can then look to develop practical solutions that can eventually translate into benefits on farm.
Be o'n i'n neud oedd siarad am sut fedrith y diwydiant amaethyddol leihau unrhyw effaith amgylcheddol. Mae yna lawer iawn o sôn negyddol am effaith diwydiant da byw ar yr amgylchedd, ond mae yna lawer iawn o bethau hawdd fedrith y diwydiant wneud i leihau unrhyw effaith, a dwi'n meddwl bod hynny'n bwysig yn symud ymlaen achos mae yna bwysau ar y diwydiant amaethyddol fatha bob diwydiant arall, ac y peth positif ydy mae gwellian ar gyfer yr amgylchedd hefyd yn aml iawn yn well i'r boced hefyd, felly bod yn effeithlon yn help mwyn elw a proffid, ond hefyd yn help o ran yr amgylchedd.
One of the nice things for us is that throughout each of the sessions we've had so far, it's been good practical advice that's already coming through. So farmers can take home messages that they can already start to implement while the researchers are busy working on the next phase that will come through.